ngathi and we are pushing but I see uyabona into mangabeka kayenziki lengoma sikhiphiwe yabona njengoba ngisho sikhiphe ngoma 2019 but khaniyenza iarcha manje so into nje ngifunde kakhulu mina kule game perseverance relax be patient then esakhe isikhathi sizovela angazi nini but sizawuvela mara angeke sikuthole umile or relaxile or uthatha ikhefu or whatever it is lo zabuyenza but if ikuthola upusha nawe na iyakuphusha yamba nawe ufana ne education if you don't study angeke upass you understand so kumele wenzeni kumele uhlale uspana so that music mawuspana every day we improve you understand ngeke ube njenga the way bongakhona izolo so in other words if you work every day mongas challenge ukuthi ufuna ukushaya nje number nyane e1 a day I'm telling you Nas 3-4 years down the line uzabu top I had to make an unprepared speech in class it was unprepared and then I had to like cut a piece of paper nyane bel Scott margin and then I had to ngenza speech so bahleke classini you know ngaba uScott and when uScott margin not Scott maphuma Scott margin and bengalifuni ukubona into mongayifuni yakuhlala vele yabona so Scott and then bengumaphuma ke ezisibongo then ngaba uScott maphuma la hamba kanjani ngiyazi mawu clean endlini ihlala ushaya nami clean 4 hours i dining room yodwa ngabe kudala ucedile but clean 4 hours because busy uyajive lapha yana wenza yonke lento le so besincanywa vela amapiano vele yabona bekusese deep house sathi deep house amapiano ikhana bizwa manje ukuthi amapiano
you never had into yokuthi I actually want to go to varsity I want to study so outside of music what would you be doing right now if you didn't go the music path
I really don't know like I go when I can think it's under Joe
this is it
ngifuna ukushela into eyo like bengekho la ukuthi mhlambe ngizophumelela ngezinye iwe yabona mhlambe mina ngiyesigela nani bengekho kimilile ngistate
there's no other option it was either music or nothing
yeah music khani ngibona manje no man kahle na into yami but kahle bengekho la mina after skila bengisitshele lo ukuthi vele hayi mhlambe ngiyospanela and everything yabo and then ngizodlala idisk na it was never about university and everything
like it never crossed your mind
never so music wami mina Grand Sharp music wami as Scott maphuma I message ngigaya abantu nanani so ngathi ukuthi ngifuna uku-explain ama tribal vox ukuthi like aspana kanjani
no explain
because it's a language you understand ngifuna angithi manje the timing you can't just release
no way
timing
so you guys have been sitting with the hit song for like 2 years
we didn't know if it like we hit it
but why you guys not pushing it that much I feel like you're not doing
ngomale kwamanje isa thela manje ayikakoropi ayikasuthi you understand so yes isa thela manje ma isazokoropa ikoropi bese yasula bese yenza yonke into ifrave futhi ifake nepolish ngithola then yonke into izoba sharp what can I say independence imnandi ngani you get to do your own things yabona ngesikhathi sakho and everything it's just that yona ithatha isikhathi because when you're an artist dingeka wena yoboma PR you understand dingeka vele into ezitight futhi especially mawugood mawunswembu dingeka ukuthi like kufuneka abantu abazophusha because mawi1 ayikho into eyenzakala isikhathi but iprogress izolona kuya ngokuthi wena usipana kangakanani and stuff but along the way nje ugcine so sharp but angeke ngisho ukuthi ngifuna ukusayina ne record label thizeni unless beza ngento
ongithi as an artist
akublind ntona futhi especially more via solo like blind it's really hard to make people believe in you know more than like ispan sako but in you Grand Sharp it's really hard so mele spane blind spane kanzima and then uzitshele ukuthi uzophusha because la ziyabuya don't wanna tell you lies music industry mnandi yabona imnandi life yakho imnandi ungazithemba ntwana ungazithemba with anything oyenzayo noma ungazithemba but it doesn't mean ukuthi abanye abantu bazoyithanda or it doesn't mean ukuthi abanye abantu bazoyijabulela yes lento leyo uyenza ngeconfidence siyakubona ukuthi uyazithemba but asiyithandi lento oyenzayo so yabona i-trick noma ungafaka i-effort engakanani if abantu lento oyenzayo abayifili ukubekezela kubalekile blind because sometimes noma ungaphusha noma ungaphupha wenzeni uthi ufuna ukureach ama goals wakho but if awukho patient then I don't know because at the end of the day akekho umuntu own isikhathi emhlabeni uNkulunkulu kuphela so you just have to believe in time
more than anything.
Yeah, more than anything yabona njengamanje ucela ukuthi like why